Hello, Roy Randolph here. Welcome to another edition of Why It Matters Coaching Corner. Today we're going to discuss adding an email to the Safelist using the Cloud Email Professional Mail webmail. We're going to assume that you've already logged into the webmail account and the email address that you're going to be using. Once you do get logged in, look over to the far right here. You're going to see your profile name here, whatever you got set up. And just to your right of your profile name, you're going to see the three horizontal red bars. Go ahead and click on that, which is also referred to unofficially as the hamburger menu. You're going to get a drop-down menu. And go ahead and click on Settings. Now, the Settings palette will open up. And as you can tell, we can move it around to suit our needs. What you're going to want to do is go ahead and click on Spam Settings here on the left-hand side. And when you're on the spam setting page, let's go ahead and click on Safelist. Now, if you notice, we already have an email address in the safe listed domains and email addresses. Let me just say this. You can have a regular full email address. You can have a domain name to cover all email addresses for that particular domain name. And also here at the bottom, we can actually add the IP address of the sending SMTP server. We'll discuss that here in just a bit. Let me go ahead and show you how to add a email address. Go ahead and click the add button. We're going to get this little palette, the add safe listed domain or email address palette. And we're just going to basically type in our email address. And let's go ahead and click add. Let's say instead of typing in everyone from the Acme company, instead of typing in all their email addresses, what we could do is go ahead and just add their domain name. So let's go ahead and do that. All we're going to do is just type in their domain name. Now, what this will do is regardless of who's sending an email from acme.com, all of those emails will be whitelisted. So we can actually do this in replace of the other two email addresses up there. And this will give us a good opportunity to discuss deleting. All you need to do if you wish to delete is highlight. Go ahead and click the delete button. We're going to get a second chance notice here. It says, are you sure you want to permanently delete the selected email address or domain? We do. So we'll go ahead and delete it. We'll do the same thing with Sue. Since they're all covered under the domain name, go ahead and click that one and say yes. Let's say Acme is actually a company that has multiple brands and they use multiple domains, but they have a private email server. It might be advantageous for us just to go ahead and list their IP address. You can obtain their IP address from the header of any email sent by them. You can obtain it by asking them what their IP address is of their SMTP server. So once you do find out what it is, just open up and click to add. And we can just type in their IP address. And I'll just type in a random IP address here, no one specific. And we'll go ahead and click add. Now, anytime an email that comes in that was sent by the IP 112.25.39.204 will bypass the spam filters. However, they will not be bypassing the virus checker. If any email that has a virus will automatically be deleted. And again, if we wish to remove it, we just highlight it and go ahead and delete. Now, the final procedure is to go ahead and save our work. We don't save, we've never done it. So let's go ahead and click save, and that completes the procedure for adding an email address, domain name, or an IP address to the CloudMail whitelist. Thank you for watching today. And remember, CartHost is home of Cartnautical support. We offer domain name registrations, web hosting services, specialize in WordPress managed hosting, and also our business class email service, Cloud Email, both professional mail and exchange services. Learn more at carthost.com.